大家好，我是阿勇，
大家好，我是爆米棒阿华。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
我逐礼拜经一条英文的新闻，给阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English.
I'll start this time.
Huh.
Today we came to the Hsinchu Zoo because we both picked articles about animals. So,
Yep.
and this one is from the Netherlands. A large number of wallabies have escaped in several locations across the Netherlands.
荷兰全国几啊位拢有地处牛仔浪港的代志，算算咧，足侪只。
The marsupials, originally from Australia,
即款对澳洲来的有地仔类，
were kept primarily in private enclosures and petting zoos.
主要是饲伫私人的饲位仔内，无就是做生理的可爱动物园区内底。
Many of these escaped animals
即寡走出来的，
were reported to be roaming around villages where they've been seen grazing on vegetation.
讲有介侪只伫砖头4箍链顶赖踅，互看到因咧食草、食树叶啊。
In principle, a wallaby can live in the Netherlands.
照讲，地处牛仔放伫荷兰是会活啦，
It depends on the season.
毋过嘛着看季季。
Only the traffic is very risky and we are concerned.
敢若一项互人烦恼，就是交通真危险。
If you ran into one,
你若是弄着一只吼，
it would do a lot of damage to your car.
对你的车是会造成真大的伤害哦。大家应该上较好现的，就是这 wallaby 到底是要安怎翻译做台湾话？因为 kangaroo 就是地鼠这个词，伫台一大书店内底就已经是有着。啊，毋过 wallaby 伊也毋是地鼠，伊是生了足像地鼠，毋过无共品种较细只的另外一个物件。
较细只的。
哦，
所以你讲地处牛啊，
我两个建议啦，头一个就是你甲 wallaby 直接用罗马字写落来 wallaby， 另外一个法度就是台湾话内底其实专门有一个字摕来处理这种生了有成，毋过又个无共物种安尼的情形，嘿，就是牛
啊
哦，比如讲咱有野公甲野公牛，哦，就是两种通拖啊，生了足成，又个无共物件，所以你若是要解说互恁兜阿公阿嬷听有，我是建议你甲 wallaby 翻译做地鼠牛。
了解。啊，过来迄个 marsupials，你讲啥物有地啊类安尼？
这个 marsupial 就是一种有地仔的动物，吼啊，日本人家伊的汉字就写做优大类，啊，这是照伊的文言音来念吼。啊，毋过共款，你若是想要解说互恁兜阿公阿嬷听，我是建议你家己莫念文言音，用白话音念出来，念做有地仔类，安尼。啊，
算合理啦，嘿。
对对对，共款这嘛是日本人做出来汉字词，这毋是华语。你知影人讲啦吼？
咱讲就 escape 啊。
好，安尼刷落来换我念吼。中华电中有一个警察。
A Diendiong Township police officer in Zhonghua County
伫因兜的果子园饲几落只鸡仔，
has been raising some chickens in his garden.
伊甲生出来的鸡卵放伫铁片厝内底。
And when they laid eggs, he would put them in a tin-roofed shed.
即两天天气热逼逼，
The past 2 days have been extremely hot,
伊所发觉讲有的鸡卵已经家己孵出来啊。
and he found that some of the eggs had already hatched.
互民众讲天气热甲毛虾孵卵，虾仔倒弹，鸡卵还佫会孵鸡卵。
This is a saying, right?
Yeah.
This is a fixed expression.
嘿，
So the saying is, it's so hot that crabs drool and shrimp faint.
鸡卵还佫会孵鸡卵。
And so now they add another bit to the expression. Eggs don't even need a hen. 我感觉这上尾一个真趣味的，就是讲有介热，连迄个鸡母拢无需要，啊，就直接放伫迄个。
啊，伫台语内底讲铁片厝，啊，毋过伫英语内底伊其实毋是铁，伊是 tin。
I think we usually say corrugated tin, corrugated iron. I guess it depends on what the material is.
无你若是敢若讲 shed， 伊无一定是铁片对无？
Shed 一般来讲应该是木材啦。
哦 ，shed 一般是柴起的。
嘿
哦，热逼逼，你甲翻译做啥？
热逼逼，我写 extremely hot，迄一个强调，一个真热安尼。
我注意到你甲即个果子园直接翻译做 garden， 所以因为台语内底有果子园啊，嘛有菜园啊。啊，伫英语内底你无特别讲这是种果子还是种菜啊？
嘿，无需要啦，啊，迄 反正就是种 plants 怎样植物啊，
可能食物。
植物啊，种植物的所在的 garden。
雞卵即個事卡，你聽到，我嘛是即回伫即個新聞內底才頭一遍看到。雞卵伊個意思是 virgin
Virgin hen。
hen，virgin hen 就是也未曉生卵的hen girls 雞卵。
你若講英台 Express 對你有幫助，
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若是有任何你想要看到咱兩個互相翻譯嘅新聞，只是講唔對，我無應該講咱兩個是阮兩個，即我等下是定定分唔對，嗰一個。
係。你若講英台 Express 對你有幫助，
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若是有任何你想要看到阮兩個互相翻譯嘅新聞
just drop us a line in the comments.
，See you next time。